Have you ever woken up feeling heavy, unfocused, and drained? Like no matter how much sleep you got, your body just isn't ready for the day ahead? What if I told you that just 7 minutes each morning could completely change that? In today's video, I'm sharing a simple, effective 7-minute morning yoga routine that's designed to boost weight loss, sharpen mental clarity, and leave you feeling refreshed and energized for the entire day. The best part? You can do this anywhere. No fancy equipment, no expensive classes, just you, your breath, and these powerful movements. 1. Centering breath, 1 minute. Before we move, we start with a deep breath. Sit comfortably or stand tall. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple act shifts your body from stress mode to a state of calm, preparing your mind and body for movement. Take 3-4 deep breaths, focusing on letting go of tension. 2. Cat-cow stretch, 1 minute. Move into a tabletop position on hands and knees. As you inhale, arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone. As you exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin and belly. This gentle flow warms up the spine, improves digestion, and increases circulation, which is great for weight loss and mental focus. Repeat for 1 minute, matching breath with movement. Feeling the shift already? Make sure to subscribe for more quick, effective yoga routines and wellness tips. And hit that like button to let me know you're ready for a healthier, more energized you. 3. Downward facing dog, 1 minute. From tabletop, tuck your toes and lift your hips into an inverted V shape. Keep knees slightly bent if needed, and pedal your heels to stretch your legs. This pose strengthens your arms, shoulders, and legs while boosting circulation and calming the mind. Stay for 1 minute, breathing deeply. 4. Low lunge with twist, 1 minute. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Place your left hand on the floor and twist to the right, extending your right arm up. This opens your hips, strengthens legs, and detoxifies organs, supporting weight loss and clarity. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. 5. Chair pose, 1 minute. Stand tall, then bend your knees as if sitting in a chair. Raise your arms overhead, keeping your spine long. This pose fires up your metabolism, tones your legs, and builds focus. Breathe here for 1 minute. Which of these poses do you feel most energized by? Comment below. I'd love to hear what's helping you feel stronger and clearer each morning. 6. Seated forward fold, 1 minute. Sit with legs extended forward. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, fold forward over your legs. This stretches your hamstrings, calms your nervous system, and encourages introspection, preparing your mind for the day ahead. Breathe here for 1 minute, letting go of any lingering tension. 7. Easy seated twist, 1 minute. Sit comfortably, cross-legged or legs extended. Place your right hand behind you, left hand on your knee, and gently twist to the right. This detoxifies organs, supports digestion, and creates space in the spine for better posture and clarity. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. If you're loving this quick and effective morning yoga routine, subscribe right now for more simple ways to boost energy, clarity, and health. And don't forget to like this video. It helps me bring more content like this to you. Recap. 7-minute flow. Let's recap your 7-minute morning yoga routine. 1 minute. Centering breath. 1 minute. Cat-cow stretch. 1 minute. Downward facing dog. 1 minute. Low lunge with twist, 30 sec each side. 1 minute. Chair pose. 1 minute. Seated forward fold. 1 minute. Easy seated twist, 30 sec each side. That's it. 7 minutes to wake up your body, clear your mind, and set yourself up for a healthier, more focused day. Remember, transformation doesn't come from big, complicated routines. It comes from consistent, simple practices like this one. Start tomorrow morning. Take 7 minutes for yourself. Breathe, stretch, move. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful wellness tips. Like this video, and comment morning yoga below if you're ready to start every day with clarity and vitality. Here's to a healthier, more vibrant you. 1 breath, 1 stretch at a time. See you in the next video.